Welcome to day 10, guys. So today you are watching this video first, which I'm really just going over the question from yesterday. Then you're watching a phenomenon video on sound, and then you have a video and guided notes to complete for me. The last thing that you have to do today is a Google form. It is optional, but I would like it if everybody completed it because it gives me a little bit of feedback on how the remote learning process is going for you. Now that we've had a week and a half in, I feel like you guys either kind of get used to it or maybe there's something that still could be better. So please fill out that Google form. That will help me help you, okay? So this problem, it talks about how Margot participated in a surfing competition. During the competition, the amplitude of the waves changed. Wave 1 had an amplitude of 2. Okay, and then wave 2 had an amplitude of 6. Identify how many times greater the amount of energy carried by the 6-foot wave was than the amount of energy carried by the 2-foot wave. Now, looking at your responses for this question, everybody told me, I shouldn't say everybody, the majority told me how many times greater the amplitude of the wave was. But remember, amplitude is not directly proportional to the amount of energy. The amount of energy is equal to amplitude squared. Okay? So, for instance, when we're looking at wave 1, the amplitude was 2. So 2 squared is equal to 4. And then when we look at wave 2, the amplitude was 6. Looking at 6 squared, that equals 36. So the two numbers that you're actually comparing are 36 and 4, not 6 and 2. So when we divide the two numbers, we get that the wave was actually, the wave was actually 9 times greater, okay? So 9 times greater, which is a lot larger than our 3 times that you were, a lot of you put down, okay? So be careful about that. Make sure you're always answering the question and answering exactly what is being asked of you. Okay, so it was the amount of energy, so we had to do energy equals a squared, okay?